This is my full moon package. Hello there, my friends. I believe Lester Reptilian has taken my mask and has sent it to the cluster, and I don't know what the cluster is going to do with it. I gotta get my mask back. I have this for now. And yes, my friends, I just got a full moon package and I realized it was right in front of my house. I went in the dark forest and got jumped by Lester Reptilian, and I didn't realize the package was here. Well, I got another package, my friends. Check it out, my friends. I got my Playmaster Bobbleheads. Here's Jester. Really awesome. Blade. Torch. And 6-shooter. Later.